right here. The mushrooms. Well guys, this can be a meal prep recipe, this can be whole food recipe, or this can be a when you're hungry but to make at home recipe. I have a ground beef here. This is at least 2 pounds of ground beef. This is 90-10, so it means 90% of the ground beef and 10% of the fat. At least 10 spoons of olive oil in here. The first thing I will do of my 2 pounds of ground beef right here. OMG. The sizzle is real. The pan was hot. It's all okay. We'll spread the meat. In the dry spices, what we're doing, we're gonna just add the salt. So first thing in the meat, I'm adding at least 1 whole tablespoon of salt. We might need to add a little bit more because I have to add a lot of fresh veggies right here. I have bell peppers, I have ginger, I have mushrooms, I have jalapenos, I have onions, I have garlic. Let's work on to these ingredients, right? Ginger, at least 200 grams of ginger in here. So I'm using juicer blenders. Peeled garlic, I'm taking at least 15. Here is our onion, medium bulb of onion, another medium. So at least 2 bulbs, medium bulbs of onion. I'm adding distilled water. Let's blend this and ginger, garlic and onion, all the paste right here. I'm making all these recipes as easy as possible for all of us. Give it a mix so they cook all evenly. We did add in 1 tablespoon of salt, so I want it to be roasted at this time. 10 minutes is a max for a highest flame possible. This is the recipe when you are super hungry and what you want to make at home. You know, if you have a ground beef, I got you. We have so many veggies going on. Alright, this is our bell pepper. I have a whole green one. I have a whole orange one. Cutting it out, all the outer wall, try to mince it. A hungry man eats healthy food when he wants to eat something. Tomatoes, chop it. 3 whole tomatoes are right here. For the 2 pounds of our ground beef, give it a stir. Well guys, it's been at least 8 to 10 minutes. Visual looks for the recipe. This should be a perfect way how to roast the garlic, the ginger and the onions at this time. Alright, so we have chopped our tomatoes, the peppers, we will add all in here at this time, okay? Just add all of them right here. This is a hungry man meal. This is a perfect, delicious recipe that we are looking for everywhere, but we don't find it. This is all fresh ingredient with the meat. So imagine this, fresh ingredients with the minced meat or ground beef. It's gonna taste super yummy. Anyway, let's mix this. So here we will fry this on highest flame possible, at least for 10 more minutes. It's been 10 minutes. I've been stir frying or roasting all our meat and the vegetables right here. I'm using at least 200 grams right here. That's enough. 200 grams of mushrooms. You know, we need all the flavors in a recipe. At least just chop it so they give you the perfect flavor. I like mushrooms in my minced ground beef or meat or mutton or chicken. If you guys do like it, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'm adding it all here, 227 grams of mushrooms, half tablespoon more of salt. So far 1.5 tablespoon of salt. You will take jalapeno, slice 2 jalapenos just like this. It's just gonna give the aroma, okay? We need that with all this meat for a hungry man meal. OMG, look at the colors, all of it. Wow. On the highest flame possible, cover it and let it cook for at least 10 minutes, and I'll tell you guys what to do after this 10 minutes. So at this point, just give it a stir, put the stove on a medium flame, and after 5 more minutes, I'm 100% sure guys, our recipe is ready. We are not killing the nutrients of the vegetables in our mincemeat. This is a hungry man recipe, okay? At first, once I opened the lid, there was like a crust at the bottom, but now it's all mixed up. It's all done. Fresh cilantro leaf. We like cilantro, right, in our food. You can skip this part. It's all okay. It's not a necessary thing, but I'm adding it all for the flavors and the taste. It's all pretty much done now. Oh wow, the white potato bread. Alright, so I just chopped it. Let me take some bread out of here and grab a fresh bite. Put it right here, right on top of it. OMG. Look at this, all the flavors, the mushrooms, I'm adding all into it. OMG. This is what it is. This is what we need. This is a thumbnail actually. Oh wow, adding more right from the pan. This is what we need guys, to make at home by yourself when you're hungry. The fresh cook is right here. This is the second bite. The best taste ever. So I made this biteable sandwich. Anything, this is what it is. Still steaming. There's a bite. I mean, eat with the rice. So this is white rice, and this is what the recipe is right here. It's super delicious, I'm telling you.